In today's video, I will walk you through how to turn off Claude AI notifications. Start by opening your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type the name of the service and press Enter. From the search results, select the official site. Once the site loads, you'll arrive at the sign-in page. Select Continue with Google if you use a Google account, or choose the email option if that's how you normally log in. Follow any prompts that appear on the screen. Depending on your setup, you may be asked to confirm your identity or enter a code. After you're signed in, you should see the main app interface with a sidebar on the left. Look at the bottom left corner of the sidebar for your user profile. This usually appears as your photo or a circle with your initials. Click the profile area to open your account menu. If your browser window is very narrow and the sidebar isn't visible, maximize the browser or zoom out slightly until the sidebar becomes visible. From the account menu, select Settings. This will take you to your settings. Inside Settings, make sure you're on the General tab. Then scroll down through the General settings until you reach the Notifications section. In the Notifications section, look for the option labeled Response Completions. Find this setting and check the switch next to it. To turn off the notifications for response completions, toggle the switch to the off position. The switch will usually move to the left or change color to show that it has been disabled. There is no save button for this setting. Once you turn the switch off, the change applies immediately. At this point, you've successfully turned off Claude AI notifications for response completions. The setting is now disabled, so the response completion notifications will no longer appear. If you want to turn the notifications back on later, return to the same notifications section in the General settings. Find response completions again, and toggle the switch back to the on position. So, the process is to open the service, sign in, select your profile in the bottom left corner, choose Settings, and make sure you're on the General tab. Then scroll down to Notifications, find Response Completions, and turn the switch off. Remember that there is no separate Save button to select after making this change. The setting applies immediately when the switch is turned off. If you ever need to restore the notifications, simply return to the same setting and switch response completions back on. That's it. You've now turned off Claude AI notifications for response completions. Thank you for watching.